In this series, we're going to be looking at Canva and how you don't have to have any design background or even be a designer to create gorgeous logos, headers for Facebook groups, and even a thumbnail for video. So in this episode, I'm going to show you how to use Canva from logging in all the way to creating a template for a thumbnail for one of your future videos. So let's jump on in. So when you get to Canva, make yourself an account. Now I've already done that, so I'm going to log in using my Facebook. Once you've logged in, you'll see that it comes to all the work that I've already done. So this is one of the great things with Canva. All your previous work is saved right here. So you can jump straight back into a project and pick up where you left off. So already I've got some stuff that I've used for YouTube, some leaflets that I've used for different events coming up, and a thumbnail that I've used in the past. But for the purpose of this video, we'll start straight from scratch. So click Create a Design, and you'll be presented with some templates. Canva gives you a whole range with the correct dimensions for when you save stuff. So we're creating a thumbnail for a video. So you can go straight into the top here, use custom dimensions if you know exactly what you want to do, social media posts, etc. So we're going to go straight into what we need, which is the thumbnails. So I'm going to go back to all my old designs and go back to thumbnails. Now once that's loaded, you'll see you'll have all different Canva layouts where there's free options and there's also paid. Now I've never paid for Canva. Once again, it's a free tool, and what you get for free, you can definitely use a lot with. So we'll use a simple template to begin with. So we'll place this and we can build from here. Now it's a simple drag and drop system. So once you've chosen your layout, you can then go into elements. Now within the elements, you can choose various free photos. So these are stock photos. Photos that have been taken and you don't have to give credit to the photographer. And these can be simply, once again, dragged and dropped where you need them to be. If you're not happy with a position, you can simply just adjust it or leave it where it was. Now I've got a photo that I want to use, so I'm going to upload my own, and I'm going to click this one. So this links onto the video that I made previously on Trello. So we're going to make a thumbnail for our Trello video. So once that's uploaded, we simply drag and drop. Now you can see it's not fitting as we hoped. So what I'll do is I'll simply delete that, and I'll drag it once again, but this time so it takes up the whole background. There we go. We'll position it, we'll go top left as the eyes read from left to right, and then we'll move the text over to the right hand side. There we go. Now we've got some things that we don't really want. For example, we want the images and the text. So what we can do is simply get rid of this stuff by clicking it, hitting the trash bin, and getting rid of it just like so. Okay, so now we're left with a text box, which is nice and easy to edit. So I'm going to jump in here and we'll put in Trello episode 1. Nice and easy. Now in the second episode, I'm going to show you how we're going to edit this text, the shapes we can put around it, and then going in further on how we're going to upload it to our actual video. So I'll see you in the next one.